This is a 2005 Chevrolet Malibu. This Chevrolet's list of numerous features includes a power driver's seat, a power sunroof, a 6-speaker audio system, a CD player, side curtain airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 47,000 miles. It features a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This car won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Myers Ford Company is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 13959 Spotswood Trail in Elkton.